Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Boardflow, a tool that will launch soon on AppSumo, and the main idea here is to be a visual bookmarking and screenshot tool to help creative professionals and agents save visual inspiration and reference in one single private space. The tool costs $69 and you get unlimited everything: board, stories, and collaborators. You need to install the Chrome extension to use the tool. And after you install the extension, you can see here the dashboard, and you go here to create the boards. So here create, for instance, AppSumo boards, also marketing boards, etc. So you use the board to divide your screenshots and where you're gonna save your content. So I'm here on the Boardflow AppSumo website, and I'm gonna click now on the extension, and you can see three different use cases here: visible, crop, and full. Let's start on visible. So the tool took the screenshot. You can enter a tab, for instance, to divide by tab. You can add a description about your screenshot, and you can select your tab. Click on save. The tool saved the screenshot, and if I just go here, I will see my screenshot here. Okay, you also can use the screenshot to crop the part you prefer. So let's say I want to crop here that image, click here to crop, and it's done. If I go here, I can see my cropped image. Also, I can add a description and tags and comments as well. If I go back here and I click on full, they will take the screenshot of the whole page. So I have the whole page screenshot, click here to save, and also it's done. So it's a visual bookmarking and screenshot, bookmaking and screenshots tool. And you get everything with only one code. It costs $69. I hope you liked that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.